Why artificial intelligence won't be taking over the world anytime soon. If you have ever worried about AI becoming our robot overlords, this video will put your mind at ease and give you a clear understanding of the current state of AI. By the end of this video, you will see why we are still a long way from AI world domination. So stick around. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and do not forget to visit my blog for more in-depth articles. Now let's jump right in. Who exactly is behind all those cool AI features we use daily? It's what we call narrow AI. Narrow AI or weak AI is designed to perform a specific task like recommending movies on Netflix, optimizing your route on Google Maps, or even writing an essay. But did you know these systems are actually quite limited? Despite their impressive abilities, they operate strictly within their predefined boundaries and can't think beyond their programming. For example, the AI that helps you find the quickest route home isn't planning a world takeover. It's just crunching numbers to avoid traffic. But you might wonder, if they are so capable at these tasks, why can't they just evolve and take on more complex roles? Why isn't narrow AI stepping up to become a general AI which can think and learn like a human? The answer lies in the complexity of human cognition. Artificial General Intelligence (AGI) is the idea of creating a machine that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like us. However, transitioning from narrow AI to AGI isn't about just improving existing systems. It requires groundbreaking advancements in how machines learn and interpret the world. Imagine an AI trying to recognize objects in a cluttered room or understanding the nuances of a conversation, tasks that even toddler can manage effortlessly. Our current AI technologies are far from mastering these complexities. Now you might be curious, if AI is so data hungry, what's holding it back from learning everything? Before we move forward, I would request you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. What's the big deal with data in AI development? AI systems are incredibly dependent on vast amounts of data to function effectively. Unlike humans who can learn from a single experience, AI needs thousands, sometimes millions of data points to learn a task. This data dependency is a major bottleneck. In many specialized fields, the required large-scale, high-quality data simply doesn't exist. For example, in rare medical conditions, there isn't enough data to train AI systems effectively. So if AI can't even gather the data it needs in certain areas, how can it possibly evolve to outsmart humans? This brings us to the next point: how AI development is managed. How do we ensure AI doesn't spiral out of control? Through managed evolutions and regulatory frameworks. As AI technology advances, so do the safety and ethical guidelines that govern its development. The tech community is continually improving these measures to keep up with rapid AI advancements, ensuring robust, safe, and controlled operations. By proactively adapting regulations, we can mitigate potential risks and prevent unintended consequences. This dual progression helps us harness AI's potential positively, rather than fearing it as a threat. But what's the real impact of these regulations? Why is it crucial to focus on safe and ethical AI development? Because it ensures AI remains a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. By focusing on safety and ethics, We can use AI to improve various aspects of our lives without fearing a dystopian future. It's about enhancing human potential and solving problems, not creating new ones. With these safeguards, AI will continue to assist us in countless ways while staying far from the realm of science fiction's nightmares. From its current limitations with narrow applications to the challenges of developing AGI and the importance of data and regulation, we see that AI is a powerful tool under our control. Remember, it's all about making our lives easier and better. If you have found this video enlightening, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback motivates me to create more videos for you. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. You can also check out the videos that are on your screen.